sunlight fell, it reminded me that life can be so gracious sometimes. And I felt like everything around me was connected somehow.
To my love, Renzo. Who would have thought that a swipe right and an opener you sent on Bumble would become a major plot twist in our love story? Naghahanap lang naman ako ng kausap para humingi ng book or movie recommendations, pero unexpectedly, on the night of September 15, 2021, nahanap ko pala ang magiging +1 ko sa weddings ng friends ko. And now, here we are, standing beside each other, hindi na bilang +1, but finally as my other half.
And they say, hold on to the ones you love, keep them close to you. And they say, hold on to this time we have.
Ayun, salamat na sa lahat. Wala ako dito kung hindi dahil sa inyo ni Ama. Thank you so much. Mahal ko kayo sobra.
Ikaw naman, Ralph Renzo, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang ditib si Leia Joy na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
There are blessings all around you. Open up your eyes. Let your heart shine in a new light. See it come alive. They say,
Hi, B. Here's a small gift to show my gratitude for all your hard work, sacrifices, and love in keeping your promises to us. P.S. Pikit mata to nang nagbayad ako. Pero sige, deserve mo to. I love you, Leia.
let the light shine through.
Hanggang PC lang kayo, boss.
Higher than the sky above you, clearer than blue, brighter than the rays of sunshine, warmer than what you feel, more than all the wonders you see. It's the most wonderful thing.
From the very beginning, you brought a kind of light into my life that I didn't even know I needed. A light that made me feel seen, loved, and truly alive. You supported me, encouraged me, and shaped me into the man standing before you today. Wala ako dito kung hindi dahil sa'yo, sa patience mo, sa tapang mo at sa pagmamahal mong hindi tumigil kahit sa mga panahong natatakot ako at nagdududa ako sa sarili ko.
I may have lost track of all the reasons why I love you, but know that I am truly grateful for you. You are my peace and calm in this life's chaos. And today, I vow to always love you not only when it's convenient, but even more when it's hard. I promise to keep choosing you in 100 lifetimes, in 100 worlds, in every distance. I still find you, and I'd still choose you. Kasi without your sacrifices, blessed kami kasi pinalaki mo kami na maayos, tsaka lahat ng meron kami ngayon, yun ay dahil sa iyo. Yun. Love you. Love you. Ayak na!
anuman ang mangyari, anuman ang dumating sa inyong pagsasama, naway manatili kayong tapat sa pangako nyo ng pagmamahal sa isa't isa. Masakit man, mahirap man, nakakapagod man, naway bumalik kayo sa inyong mga pangakong ito ng pag-ibig.
Nothing in life holds more power than your smile. I can't describe it, even harder to.
Joy, I hope you like my gift. Time to retire your old phone. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, hindi ko naman kailangan palitan. Pero nag-insist siya. So, yun. I love you so much. And so pogi. Iba talaga pag Alcantara. Namamaya apelido ko na.
Between us, no, nothing can separate us. Nothing can ever break us apart. Well, it only shows that nothing can keep us from getting close.
B, from this day forward, ikaw ang palagi kong mamahalin, pipikunin, patatawanin at pipiliin. We're in this new journey together now, and forever, your love will always be the home my heart has needed. I love you so much, and happy Monthsary today. I love you.
Nothing can come between us. No, nothing can separate us. No, nothing can ever break us apart. No, nothing can come between us. No, nothing can separate us. No, nothing can ever break us apart. Well, it goes to show that nothing can keep us.
You are my home, my safe place, my adventure, and my forever. Ikaw ang pahinga sa pagtapos ng mahabang araw at ikaw rin ang simula ng aking panibagong bukas. For all these days of my life, pipiliin at pipiliin kita. Paulit-ulit, walang pagdadalawang isip. In every moment, in every season, in every lifetime, always, I choose you. I love you.